at the same
We do have a
time,
gap SM2.
there's no way we're shorting all the way back down.
Yeah, data high to data
Um,
low, bro. No.
bro, if we somehow move up 900 points and back down 900, they might need to be investigated.
Would be a generational short though.
Oh, it definitely would. Bro, they're gonna start putting limits on Nasdaq if they start like doing this shit over and over.
What?
Are you on code?
So let's see.
What is this, YouTube?
Yeah, I'm in
I've
Discord.
been
It's
taking
muted.
entries all morning, son. This shit has been beautiful.
Yeah, like
Jeez.
just
Scalping
imagine being long from the
shit
bottom
out of
just
this.
just because.
Yeah.
See, the fucked up
I
part
seen
is
somebody.
the fucked up part is someone is long from last night. That's just holding
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was
a
about to say.
bag.
You know who it, you
Somebody
know
had a
who it
long
would
from that.
be? You know who would be long from down there? Brett Simba would be long all the way from the bottom. He's gonna post, bro. Brett, the owner of Tradeify, is going to post like some insane posted on Twitter of him just being in like two minis from the bottom. He always does that shit. Him and Trader King.
They know something we don't.
I'm not even gonna mark out that hourly gap. But that shit. We have that hourly gap. These 4 hour. We have these 4 hour gaps. Tap into this gap. It's just like, where does one even target after that happens? See. Like, bro, this most recent 15-minute range is like 300 points.
That's insanity.
This bottom to our recent high, that is insane. That is over 1% of a move.
It's just too much.
I just feel like, I don't know. They're gonna have to they're gonna eventually make it to where like these names don't move as much. Cause like, could you imagine trying to start a 401k right now? Like,
Damn.
you would think that the S&P 500 is like safe, and then you just watch it like move 3% per day.
Yeah, you
It's
would
like,
think it's a scam afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
Unless that's their goal.
Like, it's insane.
To deter people.
Because I mean, the average like yearly gain for the S&P would be like 12% on a great year, and right now it's like we can see 12% in like a few weeks.
Yeah.
Bro, gold got like wiped last night, bro. It bought it all back. There was a point last night where gold was down almost 10%.
Jesus, what the fuck?
Now it's only down
I don't know what
2.8%. But like, yeah, shit is getting volatile out here. I mean, hey, at least after that Nasdaq candle, the port's gonna look a little okay.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully.
A little bit green.
Hopefully.
How do you guys think these type of swings in the market will affect like the market being open 24/7?
I mean, the market's already open like what, 23.5 realistically, or yeah, like 23.5. So I feel like 24/7. I mean, it's gonna be whatever. Like, institutions aren't gonna be trading on the weekends. Like the weekends are still gonna have super low volume, and then like your weekdays are still gonna have majority of the volume. Because either way, like banks and stuff are not gonna be trading like 24 hours a day.
That's true.
So like the weekends is gonna be like the Asian session or something.
Yeah,
like
I mean, I think the weekends are still just gonna be like you would just be better off not even looking at the market, because I feel like it's not gonna move. Like, we would still have like a New York session, right? Because ultimately, like, institutions here are still gonna be functioning at their normal hours. So like the New York session will still be valid.
Just think about it, because like, you know how a lot of the like events happen on the weekend, like the
Mm.
war and like tariff news happens on like Saturdays and stuff.
It would
Friday
just
after the market close.
it would require like hedge firms and stuff to like start adapting like overnight shifts, which would be like insane to do. I feel like imagine being like a 9 to 5 like finance guy, and you have to work overnight because the market's 24 hours. I feel like that would be like insane to do. But I mean, it's possible.
That is possible. I mean, honestly, that's a good point. Because what are going to happen to the 9-to-5ers?
Yeah, I mean, realistically, I feel like that's like more opportunity for money. A lot of people would take up the opportunity to work overnight. But I don't know if they're really gonna like implement 24 hours. I feel like that's not sustainable. It really just seems like a trap to pull more money out of retail doing that. Like imagine waking up and blowing an account on a Saturday.
Nah, bro.
Beautiful. Sounds like my type of fun.
Like that would be insane.
Got another retweet into that 5 minutes. Yes.
Okay,
That should be an SMT right there.
Realistically, I don't know what direction I'm going to trade this market.
Yeah.
More than likely. Yeah, I think if I do take anything, it's going to have to be like something like super quick and simple.
Yeah. Just go
I'm also not going to size up that much. I'm not going to size at all today. I need to use super light size. If I even take anything.
I'm going like 2 micros, 3 micros. That's it.
Yeah. And that's even if like something even appears. Realistically, we're like going sideways after that. And if you ever think about like what happens after we get like the most volatile CPI candle, we usually do nothing.
Just garbage, yeah. You're right.
And like we're not, I mean, price could be volatile enough for us to revisit down to what's our like technical data low. But I mean, that's a huge move.
That would be a crazy move.
So, I mean, if we don't get anything today, it is what it is. I mean, till Monday. Technically, there's no real news today. Then we actually have some red forward tomorrow.
What do we have tomorrow? Do you know?
PMI.
Okay, but
That should be solid. It sucks, man. I was looking over and I was like, wow, this is great. We actually consolidated. And of course.
Nope. Nope.
I woke up, I saw many Twitter notifications. I opened TradingView. There's just a big white candle that just doesn't end.
It's scrolling up.
Literally, bro. I'm like, is this glitch? That's also so fucked up for anyone that's like, that was like short off of like good analysis and like good positioning and then has to deal with that.
No, you're right.
Because it's very easy to have been like swinging shorts and like just watching a stair step down and then that happens. It's like, wow.
That's so fucked, dude.
Just seems like blatant manipulation of the market almost.
The fact that one person could just say what they feel like and then everything changes, that's the most incredible shit in the universe.
Yeah, the market's like super coded to news ever since like tariffs last year. Let's see. From where we are in price, I mean, where would be like the most make sense for us to go, higher or lower? I mean, realistically,
I think higher. I want to see us tap this 15-minute.
Although we do higher.
Yeah, although we do have SMT already, I do want to see us probably tap this 15-minute, closer to market open and give us some patty swing or whatever, I would love that.
Yeah, that's fair. We still have a data high from last week that we had never taken. That one Devil's Mark data high.
Do you know the price?
25. Yeah, 25026.
Let me see.
NASDAQ and 6774 on ES.
25026, you said?
Yeah. For NQ. It's 02625 exactly. Like to the tick. Yeah.
Good shot.
There's that. Let's see. And that's inside of like an unfilled 4 hour. So the next 4 hour up is where that data high is. And then we're just sitting inside of this like current 4 hour. We swept this high inside of it, and there's an SMT now. So yeah, low key, I mean, I do want to kind of just see us continue higher. I mean, off of that kind of a move. Let's see.
Don't
The VIX went from like $31 back down to 24.
Wow, dude.
Oh wait, did we flip the 15 on ES? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. Man, I have no idea what the fuck's going on anymore.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty risk off. I feel like we definitely could just like start chopping around.
Yeah, it's like we're grinding higher, but not at a good pace at all.
Yeah, and probably run out of some volume after that. We definitely, I mean, we're already like going sideways after that move.
What are the odds of Trump actually putting out a post at 9:30 on the dot?
Bro, Trump's probably losing his mind because like I don't know why we're postponing the war. I thought we were winning. They're like, yeah, I don't know. They made him want to negotiate. I don't know what they did, but they did something. Because I could have sworn a week ago he said, I don't want to negotiate anymore. That was a lie.
It's good, young. Scotty Kuno, bro.
Realistically, I mean, we're just gonna have to be like targeting these range highs or like this range low on the 15-minute with this huge range. Like that range low is 190 points and the high is 230 points away, which is insane because it's like this is a tight range, so that's like crazy. Let's see. Do we have any like conditions to go off? We're kind of like holding this like 5-minute.
Yeah.
And ES is also holding it in flip. So that last internal high we made came off a golden pocket perfectly. If you're taking like a bearish retrace.
Oh yeah, we did actually.
Yeah, and then
like to the tick, wow.
And then equilibrium of this range would be at 289. So we could like rebalance, I guess. Could take out that internal low at 35 and then come lower into equilibrium at 289.
That candle's just insane.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, that's like, it's hard to even use that candle as like an imbalance.
Yeah.
Jeez. What time frame do you put your fibs if you're looking for a golden pocket?
I just use every time frame, really.
Yeah, any time frame.
Okay.
I guess technically the bottom of this range is here. So realistically, from like the true bottom of the range to the top, equilibrium would be at 267. Realistically. I mean, it would make sense for us to kind of rebalance that move, right? It's like there's definitely a lot of orders that got left behind there. I feel like there's no way.
I don't even know what I'm trying to frame a short. I don't even know where I would put my stop. I like that ES flip. I mean, it's the tiniest 15-minute in the world, so I don't even know if I would count that. Both of them are, but we already flipped one on ES, so I kind of like it, especially since we tapped that golden pocket.
Yeah, shit. I don't know.
But I don't even know where the target would be at that point if I'm shorting. Outside of this last swing. Yeah, that
Yeah,
probably
this
be it.
shit. I wouldn't short this like for a
Yeah.
while until it's like obvious.
All right, come on.
You have this small 5-minute down here. I didn't even see it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Slazzy low key. I don't know. So I like. If I'm being honest,
You
I really
can't lead
don't
him
know.
on like that, bro. It sounded like he was
I
about
don't
to
know.
give like the craziest
The
analysis. He goes,
craziest
low
sauce.
key, bro. I don't know, man.
Nah, but if I were to say something, yeah, I don't know. Probably
Mhm.
higher. But
That's real,
honestly,
though.
it's so 50-50 right now. It's just like I don't know if you heard Slez, like I'm not putting risk on. Like I'm barely putting risk on. Like if anything, I'm going for a 150 day with like a 1 micro, 2 micro lot. Like I don't think
I
today
think
is
I'm
really a
running
day
3
we need to be
micros max.
trading.
I think 3 micros on this one.
Yeah, 3 micros,
I
yeah.
think the max you'd want
I mean, dude, this 1 minute, this one fucking 1 minute candle was 10 points. Like that's insanity.
to.
And it looks so small.
Yeah, no, that's true. Like really, if you take where we are right now back to the top, like it's 120 points.
Mm-hmm.
Section 10. Like that would be where like your stop ideally goes, and like that to be your stop is crazy.
Yeah. The indicator marked out a data low at 8:30, but I don't
8:30.
think that was data
Did
low.
we have anything? Let me see.
The indicator might.
No, we didn't have anything.
Yeah, I don't think it's right.
It might just be thinking because of the
Yeah.
volume on those candles. Like
Yeah.
that's like a data candle. Because let's see, that 8:30 candle is how big? 41 points, and it looks like nothing.
It looks like a doji candle, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's actually crazy.
Yo,
All right, realistically, with the
I was gonna say, if we look in the half hour, bro, we already seen that it respect that shit. So I feel like if we tap in that 30-minute fair value gap and sweep that liquidity, bro, we can get a nice little retracement higher.
yeah, I don't know. Like we could keep buying up, or we end up rebalancing this range and come down like 400 points on it. I think there's like gaps between those, like that move up, like on the 1 minute, there are gaps between that move, like when we close and open the next candles, like it was just printing higher, never like made like a bottom wick on one of the candles.
Like, you're saying for the displacement candles?
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's insane. It's actually insane, bro.
But like right here, it's like we have this small 5-minute, and then we're holding like this bearish one.
Mm-hmm.
And like low key, if we open up and we inverse this 5-minute, like I might just be looking for us to maybe resweep these internal lows.
That's valid.
Because we have S&T up top right now too.
What for the people asking in chat, what happened with Trump again overnight? Like what caused the massive buy up? Do you know exactly?
Yeah, he's saying that they're gonna be postponing any attacks on Iran for 5 days.
Okay. So,
any military strikes against like any power plants or like energy infrastructure.
Okay.
He basically wants to sit down and have talks with them, but they don't want to.
Okay.
3 minutes before open.
Which is interesting that like that the spike up, because that almost looks like we're not winning.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. This 5 minutes so far. Looks like we'll probably flip it. Yes, definitely looks like it wants to. I gotta make sure that 3 micros on this range even isn't a lot.
I think it still might be.
Yeah.
6. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I was doing 3, like 2 or 3 pre-market, but when the market jumps, that shit might be hellfire.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run 3 minutes. I'm not even gonna go for like a full sash day really.
I don't even know what I'm looking for. I'm up from last night, so I might just call it unless something looks perfect. But if we jump in one direction, that market open, I'ma just market buy or sell, tight ass stop, and just chase that shit irresponsibly, of course.
We got what, like a minute left here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if we come back down through that internal low, like it's also an hourly gap, so could come lower as a retrace. I feel like I would just rather short the retrace down because I don't know, like if we do buy up, I don't know how hard we're really gonna buy up.
Yeah. We are pretty overextended. We could honestly retrace like, equilibrium.
That's what I'm saying. We could make a heavy retrace down.
1
Yeah, I
hour
still
tap this
have that
1
marked
hour.
out too.
Yeah, I really like that actually. 1 hour for value up could be the draw for right now.
I think so. I mean, we came up and took out like all this buy side, so coming back to internal, like, makes sense. Getting pretty heavy too. About to open up here.
Dump.
How far is that low? Fuck, shows on. Bears market open. Those lows are 150 points away. Holy. Tap like a small, like 1 minute down there. Swept out like those internal lows. There's no SMT down here yet.
No SMT.
And then we did inverse that 5 off the open as well. On both pairs.
Let's see.
Yeah. Seemed pretty slow to start here off the open.
I love this.
We do look kind of stuck, huh?
Let's pick a side.
There's like nothing to go off of here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
How do we
Maggie.
slow down even more?
Oh, sorry. Our Maggie 09, just close and reopen trading view. You'll have it. Yeah, this is just.
SMT with ES at those lows now, or at the most recent lows. ES Loki looks a little weaker. pretty mid already.
Mm-hmm.
$150 points.
Bro, the 1 minute has a barcode and the range is like 50 points. More than 50
Yeah, no.
points.
Mm-hmm.
Like these candles definitely aren't like small candles.
No. Yeah, fellas, just make sure that we're sizing accordingly because these ranges are massive.
Yeah. Crazy, we haven't really left this range since the open
We haven't done anything.
at all. Maybe we see NQ break this SMT at these internal lows, the most recent, and start going. I mean, ES is like slow grinding lower.
Mm-hmm. Same thing with
NQ is just
YM.
pretty stagnant. Yeah. We're just stagnant on NQ. See if it starts falling behind. We still don't even have like a first presented gap or any kind of gap.
Yeah, nothing.
Just made another SMT
Mm-hmm.
at the internal low.
You have the small 5 minute. If we might retest that one and go lower, but
We get open one, yeah.
it's the only thing. It's the only thing I can see from right here.
Yeah, nothing's really clear yet, or at all.
Only thing I do like is the 5 minute close at open, but I don't even know where I put my stop at. 45-point stop will be at the top of that 5 minute candle at 542, but also that's no wick up there, so we might.
Yeah, that 5 minute gap's gonna be like the only condition that we'll have. So I'll have to see what we do with that. If we come back up to it. Unless we have SMT at these, like the low of day.
Maybe tap it. Let's see if we sweep this.
And where we at from this range low? I guess technically if you take the range low to high, like we're off a golden pocket to the tick.
Wow.
At 930 low.
Another one. Jeez. Let's see.
We're in this 5 minute now, so let's see what this 5 minute does. We have a SMT in that 5 minute for right now.
Oh, true.
We do have a pretty like solid SMT at the bottom with ES.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing's just like 100% clear right now. We also have SMT now at New York AM high too.
Yeah. SMT up like at the top of this range and the bottom.
Oh yeah, we did just sweep that. Can anybody see if there's any 30-second gaps?
There's a 1 minute.
I don't see it. 1 minute.
The 1 minute is super small. Do you see the 925 candle?
925.
It's like barely a fair value gap. But the indicator.
Is that on micros?
Yeah, micros.
Let's see. I think minis might not have a gap there.
Oh.
We're respecting it like perfectly right now. It's crazy.
Like, yeah.
We just closed above it now, but I mean, we got the entry signal on the Dodge indicator, but
that 5 minute close there too.
Did it close above the 5 minute there?
Yeah, it's just ES didn't even like tap the 5 minute.
Shit.
So it's like kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna fade
Yeah, I
this.
don't want ES to tap me and then just dump from there.
I think I'm gonna fade this trade. I mean, it very well could play out, but
yeah.
I just don't.
It's odd how we closed that gap, but ES never like ever came to it.
Yeah, it didn't even move up at all.
Yeah. ES just tap it though.
Let's see. I don't even think we have like a first presented yet even.
Minute.
Let me see. Oh yeah, there's a 3 minute there. Nope.
Yeah, that 1 minute, I didn't really like that 1 minute.
Sheesh.
Yeah, Jesus.
This sucks. Yeah, ES tapped that 5 minute.
It's like they made that inverse like knowing or some shit.
Yeah.
Like. See, but it's just odd that ES didn't make it to that gap. Like, there's an equal out of that gap right now.
Yeah. And it just smacked off of that to the upside.
Yeah, it's a pretty strong whip.
Yeah, we're whipsawing hard here.
These ranges are so crazy. I don't even know if I like this one. That's
there's
a
nothing
good
really
reaction
clear
to it, but
it's nothing like plainly obvious. ES just have that 5 minute finally. Starting to buy through it low key. But
SMT at the high now again.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably not gonna hold this one, but it's just I don't know. I don't love anything really.
Yeah, it's too back and forth for it to be worth.
15-second actually was pretty good, but I faded it because we had the 1 minute close already. Waited for the retrace, break even. That would have been pretty good, but
yeah. That SMT at the bottom at low pay held as well.
Yo, it respected that tiny 1 minute FPG. 1 MNQ.
Oh, on NQ.
Yeah, down there on 936.
There's a weekly level down there too. Like we bounced off the weekly value area low.
Okay. It's pretty good then, honestly.
1 sec. Just broke even on that. That 2 micros long. Yeah, I hate all of this.
This is let's see. Yes, might close at 5 minute in the next minute here. We have S&Ts like at the most recent highs and then at the lows as well.
Mm-hmm. I need a signal. This is garbage. Trump's talking right now. Kevin just said.
Apparently, I guess he said he talked to Iran leader. No, the fuck you didn't, bro. Why are you lying?
Talk to Iranian top respected leader. They're saying no, yo, that's hilarious. Because one of them are making shit up, and that's so funny to me.
Yeah, someone's making something up.
Someone's making something up.
Most definitely.
Why are you lying for no reason?
But if he's talking, then yeah, I mean, that's more reason not to be trading.
Yeah,
which is fine.
Yo, I just turned on the live now from Fox, and somebody in the comments said, lies, lies, lies. We didn't talk to Iran.
Yeah, because like before the market opened, Iran themselves said that like there hasn't been any talks. So it's odd for him to say that. But yeah, I mean, that'll probably just cause the market to be choppier. Maybe some more volume, but still choppy, I think. That 5 minute inverse, like NQ closed back below it, now we're trading back above. But then ES is like holding that gap that we originally inversed. So now we're just correlated between those two.
I don't like anything. This is just.
Trump says Iran would like to make a deal. Like, since when, bro?
so if the deal happens, it's a great start for Iran and great for the region. Just saying whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this alone until he's done. When the YEP session is over, I'll look at the charts.
Yeah, honestly, I might just lock out for an hour right now and then just come back later.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I might just lock out like for the day and let this shit just play out.
I took a small micro scalp, so I'm up $48, but I wanted to get that 150 day. But I know if I try and sit here and try and force it, bro, I'm gonna lose my entire account.
Yeah, I mean that's completely fine. I feel like there's like nothing in this range to take.
No.
Like we're not even getting like the range highs and lows.
Mm-hmm.
We're just like super range bound, just stuck in the middle of it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. It looks like all the best movement starts to happen in pre-market nowadays. Like, what is going on?
Yeah, I mean as of recent, yeah, like we have like a bunch of overnight moves or pre-market moves.
We might have to honestly adapt, bro. Stop trading New York session and just become nocturnals.
Okay, yeah. Like overnight usually has at least like 2 or 3 good moves to take, and then I mean last night was pretty consolidated, but I guess obviously I was leading up into whatever happened this morning.
But dude, like it's like New York session will give you like 1 opportunity, 2 opportunities, right? But it'll be hard. Like you have to like really work for that. Bro, Asia, it's like clean price action, and then it'll give you like a solid retrace and a good nice flip. Like It's just, I don't know. It's so different,
It'll like
bro.
give you something just so obvious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And it goes back to like what I always thought, like from the beginning, when the eyes, when there's the most eyes in the world on like the charts, it's gonna be the worst,
Hmm.
you know.
Yeah, it's true.
And when there's the least amount of eyes,
Mhm.
it's when we're gonna expand the most and have the cleanest price action.
Yeah, exactly. Like right now we have a lot of volume, but it's like it's not directional volume.
Mm-hmm. Over $900 billion added to the U.S. stock market from 9 o'clock till now.
Jesus. That's actually insane. Not gonna lie.
$900 billion, bro.
That's actually wild,
Imagine you touched half a percent of that.
right?
Wait, what is that?
900 billion just added in. 0.5%.
Yeah. Is that a million?
Life changing.
That's not-
0.5% is generational wealth. Maybe not generational wealth, but definitely a lot of money. Trump said Iran called, he didn't call them. Like, dude. Like, no way.
I'm okay with the bullshit if it works in my favor.
Yeah, nah, I'm probably not gonna take
All you
anything.
want, gang. Yeah, I'm leaving this the fuck alone. I'm looking at some other shit in the meantime.
We haven't made like a proper 1 minute gap since the open.
If we flip this gap, actually no. Wait, where's
It's 5 minute or oh no. Wait, which gap?
no? The 5 minute actually flipped. We're just bullish. This is like, I don't know.
Just starting a slow grind.
Yeah, I honestly, this is what I mean. I'm trying to see something that's not there. I'm just gonna lock out for an hour here. It's just not worth it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's not clear enough.
Yeah, I didn't see anything like I could have possibly taken. I wanted to see if we would like frame a short, but there was no like true short confirmation. And I didn't like anything for long.
Mm-hmm.
Just tap the 1 minute after that push up. We might just flip that shit back down again.
I locked out before we inverse this gap just in case. I mean, this might be the move, but
I think we'll just continue going like up and down through the range. We still haven't we technically haven't taken out like either side of this range really. Like the high or low. We have the pre-market high at 9 a.m. and then the lows from 8 a.m.
yeah, this is.
We got an S&T. Might flip this going back lower. We're not delivering out of anything in particular, so I'm not understanding this at all. Unless you start counting order blocks, but
Nah.
yeah.
Fuck it, I'm fine with, how it is, whatever. Is this first?
Yo, I have a question. Order block is the same thing as a changing the state of delivery?
So, changing the state of delivery is... Are you watching my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so changing the state of delivery is basically the last move, like in the opposite direction before the reversal. So like these, let me clear everything. These series of up close candles are the CISD right here, which is technically an order block, but the CISD is just like the one move before like the reversal. So it's a series of opening candles that swept out liquidity and then taps into the high time frame PD array. So once we close below that opening price, that becomes a CISD. An order block would just be like what a down close candle, an up close candle, and a down close candle, right? I don't know.
Oh yeah, like pretty much, yeah.
I don't really use order blocks, but CISDs are like the first move. It is an order block, but it's the first order block in the switch and like the flip.
Yeah, like if there's a bunch of green
Alright, cool.
candles after a bearish candle, that last bearish candle before the move up
Mhm.
is the order block. So
Yeah.
if it comes back down to that range, whatever bearish candle is, you'd consider that an order block. This would be a bad entry if I took this here.
I'm over this.
Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna take anything. We might slow grind for those highs, but like I don't feel like taking anything on that. I just feel like we could just get caught in a retrace. We're just like stair stepping.
I did the math. I could be bugging. $1 trillion times 0.5%. Does that really equal $500 million?
Honestly, it probably does.
That's actually insane.
I think so. What's that? Let's see. .5% of 1 trillion. 0.5% of 1 trillion is 5 billion.
5 billion? I missed a couple zeros then.
That is kind of crazy.
Jeez.
0.5% of 1 trillion is $5 billion. It's actually kind of wild.
Another SMT.
Yeah.
Only thing I have noticed, I turned that rejection block, the taking profits one, on, and a lot of the times it just keeps on rejecting off of those.
That
It's doing
rejection
it right
block
now too.
That rejection block indicator really is good, bro. That's
Yeah.
our like most used free indicator.
Yeah, it's like the SMT right there and a rejection block right there. But I definitely scalp off it because it doesn't always make the full move down from there, but it is great for getting nice scalps.
Mario, Trump was
But in
talking.
this one,
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was just saying, Trump was talking about like stopping the war with Iran, not fighting. All right, fellas. I'm probably just gonna wait here till 10 o'clock. Tape read anything like 10:05. I'm gonna get off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bad probability day. You're right.
Yeah, nah, I already have
I
my
think it
account
finally
logged.
created a proper first presented fair value gap.
Mm-hmm. We just flipped it, right?
It got inversed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not entertaining any of this. It's just not worth it.
You guys should follow Whale Insider on X.
Okay. Whale Insider.
Yeah. Yeah, it pops up all the stuff that like whenever he like tweets something.
Not unusual whale, right?
I follow both.
Okay.
I follow Whale Insider, Unusual Whale, and then Watcher.guru.
Yeah, I have Watcher.guru.
And then they post everything. Like they posted the gold drop, the crude oil drop.
Mm-hmm.
If people are buying Bitcoin.
Yeah, you said whale. Sorry, one more time. Whale.
Whale Insider.
Insider, got it. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The fuck? OnlyFans owner Leonid Radvinsky has died at 43? Literally an hour ago, Whale Insider just posted it.
That is insane. Now we get to see who gets to take over OnlyFans, who buys it out.
There you go, dude.
Bro,
the real news is coming out.
Yeah, the amount of money that OnlyFans has generated, bro. Holy shit.
No, actually, man.
Good stuff, RJ. That's a good trade, bro. Yeah, he's definitely going to hell, bro. What was the cause of his death? He died of cancer?
Oh, wow.
No.
Bro, these memes are crazy already, bro. It's actually insane what the internet can do so quickly.
Yeah.
Bro, what a times to be alive, man.
They're too quick.
Alright, we got 10 o'clock in a minute.
Yeah, shoot. Maybe get some kind of like spike in volume.
Another bullish SMT. Oh no, on ES.
Yeah, so many SMTs in this
Yeah,
range.
it's just all over the place.
Yeah, fellas. 10:05, I'm calling it.
Yeah.
I don't know how true this is, but did you guys see that Ronaldo was like with like another soccer player?
Is that true?
Yeah. It was like a picture of them on their boat, like hands in each other's
Ronaldo's
pants,
gay?
bro.
Yo, what?
I swear to God, bro.
So
I
what? Damn, I'm missing.
Cristiano
insane.
Ronaldo, bro.
Wait, Ronaldo's gay?
Bro. Go look at the pictures, bro.
Oh, hell
Yeah.
no, bro. That's my goat, bro.
Bro.
Yo.
Fuck.
That's crazy. See, at 10
No,
a.m.
that's
That is insane. What the?
Yeah, that's a crazy picture. That's not even the picture I'm talking about. I'm trying to find it right now. Hold on. It's gonna be scrubbed now, of course. Watch.
Yeah, I realized, bro, on Friday, Trump said that there were no more leaders to talk to in Iran because they were all finished. But then today said he talked to one of their leaders. Like, what? Which leader? You said they were all gone.
No, that's messy. No, it was another. It was like a. It was like a black soccer player. I forget who it was though. Yeah, no trades today, Rohan. They were on a boat, bro, like out in the fucking middle of the ocean, and some guy like was on another boat. I guess he took a picture, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna say it on live, but it was bad, bro. And of course, I can't find the picture now. Like, I saw it with my own eyes, and now I can't find it anywhere, even on Twitter.
You got them deleted, bro.
He probably did.
Ronaldo gay, bro?
said that like his whole life is a lie.
It is.
That's
Well, the shit still hasn't moved.
Yeah, nah, we're calling it.
Back to bedtime.
If I find this, oh, I found it. Here we go. You guys ready? Brace yourselves.
It's yourselves.
Yeah, bro. I couldn't believe it, dude.
What?
Ronaldo switch side.
No, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, that is kind of
Wait,
crazy.
This gay
Wait,
ass
where'd you put it?
motherfucker. He has
Let me stop the OBS.